Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a waveguide cover in your microwave oven, first remove any racks from the oven, along with the turntable and support. Using a T15 Torx bit, unthread the screws securing the cover you're replacing. You can use a razor blade to help detach the old cover. Before you install the new waveguide cover, clean off any residue from the outlet. Now apply a thin layer of silicone around the outlet. Align the new cover, then thread the screws to secure. With the cover installed, replace the support and align the turntable on the coupling. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.